Let us see the next method, that is Cholesky decomposition method. The steps for Cholesky decomposition method are: first method is, let us consider Ax equal to b. In Cholesky decomposition method, we have given the equations like this, xyz equations. So the steps are: write the given equations in the matrix form as Ax equal to b. This is your first equation. Then let us consider A equal to the take the note next matrix as L transpose. The LT means it is the notation for L transpose, that is whatever the matrix L, we have to take the elements from rows, we have to convert the L matrix to L transpose as. So this is your L matrix. Consider this L matrix as we have to take, this is your fixed matrix, L matrix. So L1100, that is the upper triangular matrix, L21, L220, L31, L32, L33. As this is your L matrix, for L transpose matrix, whatever the rows here in L, we have to take these elements from row, we have to convert these elements to column, that is we have to convert rows to column. So in L matrix, the first row is L1100, this is your first row, we have to convert this first row to first column, that is first column in L transpose as L1100. Second row is L21, L220, this second row will go to second column, L21, L220. Third row is L31, 3233, so third column in L transpose as L31, L32, L33. So first consider the matrix form as Ax equal to b. This is your first equation. Then consider A equal to LL transpose, where L is equal to this matrix, L transpose equal to this. Then put these two matrices in this second equation. And as you can see, there is a multiplication of two matrices, L and L transpose. So you have to take the multiplication of these two matrices, L and L transpose. So when we get the multiplication of these two matrices, take the product of L transpose and put in the equation 2, that is this equation. And after multiplication of these two matrices, we get the final resultant matrix here, and one matrix on RHS and a matrix on LHS. So as there is a equal sign in between two matrices, that is the matrix A and the resultant matrix after multiplication of these two matrices here. So compare these two matrices. Comparing this matrix, right side matrix, with this matrix A, find the values of L11, L22, L22, L21, L22, L31, 32, 33. So put the values of L and L transpose. These matrices are fixed. So take the multiplication of these two matrices and get the one matrix and put this matrix in this second equation, that is in RHS, and comparing both the matrix from LHS A and RHS resultant matrix, and find the values of these unknown terms, that is L11, L21, 22, L31, L32, L33. Then next step is, from 1 and 2, or put the second equation in 1, that is put the value of A, that is LL transpose, in the first equation. So we get, instead of A here, we put LL transpose, so we get LL transpose here into X equal to B. Take L transpose into X as B. L transpose into take L transpose into X as Y. So we get L into this, we have considered Y, so L into Y equal to B. And where Y is your column matrix, that is the notations are Y1, Y2, Y3. So this matrix Y as column matrix, take it as column matrix. Then solve Ly equal to B. So this matrix form we have to solve and find the value of Y. That is, first we have to find the values of y1, y2, y3, then we can get the value of y matrix. Put this y matrix in equation 4, that is in this equation, LT x equal to L transpose x equal to y. What are the steps? From this L transpose into x we have to take as y, then put this take y as Ly equal to b, then solve this Ly equal to b matrix form for finding y. Put this value of y in this fourth equation, and after putting the value of y, that is the matrix y, and solve that fourth equation and find the value of x. So this is the method for Cholesky decomposition method. Let us revise the steps. First step is consider the matrix form as Ax equal to b, this is equation 1. Then consider A equal to LL transpose, where L equal to this matrix, L transpose is this matrix. Then take the multiplication of these two matrices and write and after multiplication write that matrix at this RHS of this equation 2. Then compare the two matrices from LHS and RHS. Find the values of these unknown terms L11, L22, L21, L31, L32, L33. Then from equations 1 and 2, put the value of A, LL transpose in this first equation. We get LL transpose x equal to b. This is your third equation. Take L transpose x equal to y. So we get from this third equation Ly equal to b. Solve this Ly equal to b matrix form and find the value of y. Put this value of y in this fourth equation and solve that resultant matrix form for finding x. So let us see the one example. Solve these equations by Cholesky decomposition method. These are the equations: x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 5, 2x plus 8y plus 22z equal to 6, 3x plus 22y plus 82z equal to minus 10. So first step is consider Ax equal to b, then again consider A equal to LL transpose, where L is this matrix and L transpose is this. Take the matrix multiplication of these two matrices, we get this matrix. So this is the matrix multiplication. How to multiply two matrices? Consider the elements position wise and take the multiplication or linear combination of these elements. That is, first element from this. So consider first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix for matrix multiplication. So how to get the first position, 1 position number? Take the linear combination as L11 into L11 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. We get L11 square. This is your 1 position number. Then this position is 1 2. So take this position is 1 2 position. Then take the linear combination by this position. That is, this is your 1 1 position. Hence consider the linear combination from first number is from first matrix and second number is from second matrix. That is, the first number denoted rows from first matrix and second number denoted the column from second matrix. So this is your 1 1 position. Hence consider first row, first column, first row from first matrix, first column from second matrix. So the linear combination we can take it as L11 into L11 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. We get L11 square. Then this position is 1 2 position. So take first row from this and 2 means second column from this. So first row is this first row and second column is this. So take the linear combination as L11 into L21 plus, take plus sign in between two numbers. So L11 into L21 plus 0 into L22 plus 0 into 0. We get this number. then L11 into L21 only. Then this position is 1 3 position. So take first row from this matrix. 3 means third column from this matrix. So first row is this, 3 means third column is this. So take the linear combination as L11 into L31 plus 0 into L32 plus 0 into L33. Then the addition will be L11 into L31. The next number is, or next position is 2 1 position. So consider second row and 1 means first column. 2 means second row from this matrix, 1 means first column from this matrix. So second row is this, 1 means first column. The linear combination will be L21 into L11 plus L22 into 0 plus 0 into 0. We get this number. Then this position is 2 2 position. So 2 2 means second row from this, second column from this. So this is your second row and second column. The linear combination is L21 into L21 plus L22 into L22 plus 0 into 0. Then this position is 2 3 position. So take 2 means second row and 3 means third column. So second row from this matrix, third column from this matrix. So the linear combination is L21 into L31 plus L22 into L32 plus 0 into L33. 0 into L33 will be 0. Hence, only two numbers we get. Then this position is 3 1 position. So 3 means third row, 1 means first column. So third row, first column linear combination is L31 into L11, then plus L32 into 0 is 0 plus L33 into 0 is 0. So the only first number exists, L31, L11. Then this number has the position 3 2. So take 3 means third column and 2 means 3 means third row, 2 means second column. So combination is third row, second column. 3 1 into 2 1 plus L32 into L22 plus L33 into 0 is 0. So 2 numbers are there. Then this position is 3 3 position. Take third row and third column. Third row, third column. So 3 1 into 3 1, 3 1 square plus 3 2 into 3 2, L32 square plus 3 3 into 3 3, L33 square. So this is your matrix multiplication. That is, two matrices we can multiply like this. So first step is Ax equal to B. Then consider A equal to LL transpose, where L equal to this matrix, L transpose equal to this. Take the matrix multiplication of this matrix, LL transpose, we get this matrix, where A is coefficient matrix, that is, take the coefficients from left side. 1 2 3 first row, 2 8 22 second row, 3 22 82 third row, and B is the right side constants 5 6 minus 10. Then equation 2 will be, put the value of A matrix in this second equation, and LL transpose means this matrix to this. So A matrix is this from second equation, and LL transpose means this matrix. Then comparing the coefficients on both sides, this matrix is your this LL transpose and the left side matrix is your A matrix. So after comparing the two matrices, this matrix is LL transpose. So after comparing this left side A matrix and right side LL transpose matrix, how to compare two matrices on LHS and RHS? We have to compare the elements by their positions. That is, we have to compare position wise. So this position is 1 1, so the number is 1. This position is 1 1, so write 1 equal to L11 square. 1 equal to, or L11 square equal to 1. Simplifying this equation, we get L11 equal to 1. Then compare 1 2 position elements. That is, 1 2 position element is 2 here, and on RHS 1 2 position element is L11 2 1. So we get L11 L21 equal to 2. And by putting the previous L11 value here, we get L21. Then 1 3 position here is element is 3, and here 1 3 term is L11 L31. So after comparing these two matrices we get 3 equal to L11 L31. 3 equal to L11 L31. So putting the value of L11 from this we get L31. In such a way that after comparing the all the terms, that is the next term is the 2 1 position element we need not to compare, because already we get the values of L11 L21 and L31. So take the next term or next comparison of 2 2 position. So here 2 2 position element is 8, and here 2 2 term is L21 square plus L22 square. So L21 square plus L22 square, this term equal to 8. So by putting the value of L21 from this equation, that is the value of L21 is 2, put this value of L21 here and simplify, we get the value of L22. That is after taking the square root we get L22 equal to 2. Then 2 3 position element is here 22 and here this term. So this 2 3 position term equal to 22. 2 3 position term equal to 22. After putting the previous all values in this equation we get L32. Then the next comparison will not be 3 1 position or 3 2 position, because already we get the values of L11 L21 L31 L22 L32. Only we have to compare the next position element, that is 3 3 position element. So write 82 equal to this 3 3 position term, that is we get 3 1 square plus L32 square plus L33 square equal to 82. As we already calculated L31 L32, put the values of L31 and L32 here and solving we get L33 equal to 3. So by comparing these two matrices we got all the values of all the unknown terms from this L matrix. That is we got L11 L21 L22 L31 L32 and L33. Then next step is put this value of A, that is put the equation 2 in 1, that is put the value of A as LL transpose to this. So we get LL transpose, this is from theory, that is LL transpose X equal to B, this is your third equation. Then consider L transpose X equal to Y. So put all the values in equation 4. Or as we consider L transpose X equal to Y, and then third equation will be converted into Ly equal to B. So solve this Ly equal to B, fifth equation for Y. As we know the value of L, because the matrix L is this, and we already calculated all the values of L11 21 22 31 32 33. Put these values of all the values of L here, we get the L matrix. So this is your final L matrix. Then consider the Y matrix as column matrix, that is y1 y2 y3, and the right side B is already know from the first step, that is the B matrix is 5 6 minus 10. Put the value of B here. So this is your matrix form. So solving this directly, that is convert this matrix form in the equations form, we get 1 y1 plus 0 y2 that is 0 plus 0 y3 that is 0 equal to 5. We get value of y1. Then 2 y1 plus 2 y2 plus 0 y3 equal to 6. After solving this we get y2. The third equation will be 3 y1 plus 8 y2 plus 3 y3 equal to minus 10. And from this equation, if we put the values of y1 y2 here, we get the value of y3. So only write the equations from this matrix form, we get the values of y1 y2 y3, that is the matrix Y. So put this matrix Y to this fourth equation. So L transpose we know, already we have calculated the all the values of L, small l. So the L transpose is this. Then value of x is, in first step, value of x is, here we didn't write, but we know the value of x means the matrix of constants. The constants are x, y, z. So the capital X will be x, y, z matrix. Then y is already calculated in previous step. That is y means y1, y2, y3 matrix. Put the values of y1, y2, y3 values in this matrix. We get the value of capital Y, that is the matrix Y. So this is your matrix Y. Again, this matrix form write in the equations form. We get the values of x, y, z. That is 1x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 5. 0x means 0, that is 2y plus 8z equal to minus 2. And 0x 0y will get you 0. Then 3z equal to minus 3. By solving 3z equal to minus 3 into z equal to minus 3, we will get the value of z. Then put this value of z in this second equation, we get the value of y. And again put the values of yz in first equation, we get value of x. So in such a way that by using Cholesky decomposition method, we got the values of xyz. So this is your final solution. Thank you.